Optimizing images for web using Adobe Illustrator. Welcome to ITMaster, your source for expert tutorials and digital design mastery. In this video, learn how to optimize your images for the web using Adobe Illustrator to make your visuals sharp, lightweight, and high-performing across all devices. Tired of your website images looking blurry and pixelated? Discover the techniques to create crisp, professional visuals that load lightning fast and enhance user experience. Unlock the secrets to captivating web design with Adobe Illustrator's image optimization tools. From resizing and compressing to sharpening and converting file types, master the art of creating stunning web-ready graphics. Boost your website's performance and SEO ranking by mastering image optimization in Adobe Illustrator. Learn the essential techniques to produce technically sound, visually appealing images that drive engagement and reduce bounce rates. Benefits of image optimization: faster website speed, enhanced user experience, higher SEO rankings, improved mobile performance, professional-grade visuals, step-by-step optimization process. Create the right artboard size. File a new use standard dimensions like 1200 by 628, banners, 800 by 800, thumbnails. Set resolution to 72 ppi. Import or design your image. File place for importing. Use vector tools for creating web graphics with minimal effects. Resize proportionally. Shift plus drag corners to maintain aspect ratio. Align to pixel grid for crisp output. Save for web, legacy. File export save for web, legacy. JPEG for photos, 60 to 80% quality. PNG, 24 for transparency. Metadata, none to reduce size. Export SVG for logos and icons. File export as SVG. SVG is ideal for sharp, scalable, and fast-loading vector graphics. Compress image files. Use TinyPNG, compressor.io, or ImageOptim for final compression without quality loss. Use symbols for repeating elements. Replace repetitive graphics with symbols to reduce file size and boost consistency. Avoid heavy effects. Skip over using gradients, shadows, and blurs. Embrace flat, clean design principles. Test image performance. Analyze load speed with PageSpeed Insights, JPEG, or Lighthouse to ensure optimal performance. Pro optimization tips. Always export at 72 ppi for web. Use vector formats for interface elements. Flatten complex layers before export. Use web-safe color palettes. Maintain consistent image dimensions. Minify SVG files before upload. Enable responsive scaling in CSS. Optimize only necessary assets. Best practices for web images. Ideal image size, under 200 kilobytes. Format choice, JPEG, photos, PNG, transparency, SVG, icons, WebP, modern compression. Set exact width/height in code. Use lazy loading for below-the-fold images. Host images on CDN for global delivery. Final result. Properly optimized images look sharp, load fast, and elevate the overall quality of your website. With Adobe Illustrator and the right techniques, you can create web visuals that are both beautiful and efficient. For more expert tutorials and digital skills, Subscribe to ITMaster and level up your web design workflow.